Hello student, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to prove that the greatest integer function defined by f of x that is equals to greatest integer of x where the value of x is greater than 0, less than 1 is not differentiable at x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. So basically we are given the value of the f of x that is equals to mod of x where we are given that the value of x is greater than 0 but less than 2. As we know that the greatest integer number is a always give the function in terms of whole number. Basically, if the greatest integer of 0.99 is 0 and the greatest integer of 1.11 or 1.01 even is 1, or 1.99 is also equals to 1. So basically, this is what the greatest integer. This is what the greatest integer is. So from here, the value of the f of x is equals to greatest integer of x. We have to check this if it is differentiable or not for the value of x is equals to 1 and for the value of x is equals to 2. So at first, we are considering checking at x is equals to 1. So in order to find if it is differentiable or not, we have to check that if left hand differentiable is equals to right hand differentiable. If it is so, if both are equal, then we can say that it is differentiable, otherwise it is not. So left hand differentiable is limit h tends to 0 f of x minus f of x plus it's f minus h divided by h, and right hand differentiable is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x, which is divided by h. Here we are considering the value of x as 1, so this from here is equals to the limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus f of 1 minus h, which is divided by h, and this from here is equals to the limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h minus f of 1, which is divided by h. So plugging the value of the function, so this become equals to the limit h tends to 0. Function is greatest integer, so this is greatest integer of 1 minus greatest integer of 1 minus h, which is divided by h. This from here is equals to the limit h tends to 0 greatest integer of 1 plus h minus greatest integer of 1, which is divided by h. So greatest integer of 1 is equals to 1. So this is limit h tends to 0, 1 minus greatest integer of 1 minus h. H is a very small value, but whenever something is subtracted in the greatest integer function, the function will be the preceding whole number. That is 1 minus h. That means 0.9999.8 something will be value. So this become equals to 0 divided by h. In the same way, limit of h tends to 0, 1 plus h, greatest integer function of 1 plus h will be h, minus greatest integer function of 1 will be 1. This is divided by h. So this from here is equals to the limit h tends to 0, 1 divided by h, and this from here is equals to the limit h tends to 0, 0 divided by h. So we know plugging the value of h as 0. So this become equals to 1 divided by 0, and something divided by 0 become equals to infinity, and 0 divided by h is 0. So limit h tends to 0 is 0. So we can say that the left hand derivative of the function is infinity and right hand is 0. So left hand derivative is not equals to the right hand derivative. So we can say that this function is not differentiable for x is equals to 1. Now we need to check this for x is equals to 2. For x is equals to 2. So again left hand derivative, and here we are going to take the value of the right hand derivative. As we just discussed the formula, left hand derivative is limit h tends to 0 f of x minus f of x minus h, which is divided by h, and this from here is equals to the limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x, which is divided by h. So this from here become equals to here we are going to replace x with 2. So this become equals to limit h tends to 0 f of 2 minus f of 2 minus h, which is divided by the h, and this from here is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 divided by h. As function is greatest integer, so this become equals to limit h tends to 2 0 greatest integer of 2 minus greatest integer of 2 minus h, which is divided by h, and here we are having limit h tends to 0 greatest integer of 2 plus h minus greatest integer of 2, which is divided by h. So this from here become equals to greatest integer of 2, that is limit h tends to 0. Greatest integer of 2 is 2 minus greatest integer of 2 minus h is 1, which is divided by h. And this from here is equals to the limit h tends to 0. Greatest integer of 2 plus h is 2 minus greatest integer of 2 is 2 divided by h. So 2 minus 1, this is limit h tends to 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 divided by h. And this is from here is equals to limit h tends to 0, 0 divided by h. So putting the value of h is equals to 0 here. This become equals to 1 divided by 0, that is equals to infinity. And this from here is equals to the limit h tends to 0, 0 divided by the something is equals to 0, that is equals to 0. Here it is infinity, it is 0. So we can say that left hand derivative is not equals to the right hand derivative. So we can say that the f of x is not differentiable at x is equals to 2, hence proved. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of continuity and differentiability. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.